Hi, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sat in a Suzuki Jimny and behind me is a massive Ferguson 135 tractor from 1965 and we're going to have a tug of war. Nuts, eh? So let me tell you about this Jimny. It's got a 1.5 litre naturally aspirated petrol engine with 101 horsepower and 130 newton meters of torque. It weighs 1.1 tonnes. It's got four-wheel drive with a low range mode and I've got that engaged. No locking diffs though. Now this thing, it can pull 1.35 tonnes. Right, that tractor's a bit more, but it doesn't really matter. It weighs in at 1.5 tonnes. It's got a 2.5 litre Perkins 3-cylinder diesel with 45 horsepower. Don't know what the torque figure is on that tractor, so old. I do know though that it's just rear wheel drive, though its wheels are huge with big knobbly tyres and those tyres are actually filled with water for added weight. Anyway, let's see what happens. Let's do a tug of war.
Buying a new car? Then head to Carwow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Now before we do, if you're thinking about buying a new car or a tractor, you might need to sell your current car, and you can sell your current car, not tractor, through Carwow. So all you have to do is click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description and then just upload some photos of your car, give it a brief description, and our dealers will bid on your car so you can make sure you're getting a fair price without having to go through all the hassle of like listing it normally and having people come around your house, kick your tyres and then just annoy you with the derisory offer. If you want to check that out at a later date, just simply Google "Wow Me Carwow" and we will wow you, whether you're selling your car, buying a new car or a used car, or just generally changing your car. Anyway, let's do this. Okay, here we go, tug of war time. I don't think I'm going to win this, but let's just go through the motions anyway. Stick with the video because it's going to get more interesting, don't worry. Okay, let's do this. Right, can you hear me, James? James is driving the tractor. Are you ready to take the strain? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, tug! His problem is he's just spinning away. Come on, Jimny. Oh God, I've stalled. No. That's it, the stall lost it for me. It was so close. Okay, I think you might have won that just about. Right, let's see if I can do this better this time. Okay then, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Jim. Makes no odds. I'm just getting kicked out of me. No. Stop, you win. I think we're going to need a bigger boat. Okay, so I've upgraded. I'm now in a Ford Ranger. I've got a 2 litre turbo diesel with 170 horsepower and 420 newton meters of torque. Plus this is heavier than the Jimny and it's got a rear differential as well, which I'm going to lock. I'm in 4-wheel drive, low range mode. Let's see if I can pull this tractor. This thing can pull 3.5 tonnes, so it might do it. Let's find out. Okay, I'm going to take the strain. There we go. Right then, Jamie, you ready? I think he's ready. Looking very relaxed about things. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Ranger. He's spinning his wheels. He's got no traction. Let's get to second. He's not moving, he's churning up the ground somewhat rotten. Listen, I just got it ticking over, look. Not touching anything. Nothing is happening. He just can't pull me. I've stalled again. Oh, piss. Even though I stalled, I got it back. Come on, let's go over here. Let's go over here for a bit. Oh, find some fresh grass. I think it's just stalemate, this is. Right, that's stalemate. We dug ourselves down into the mud, so we've moved over to a fresher bit of grass that'll allow us to get some more traction so we can get a winner out of this head to head. So let's do it. Are you ready then, Jamie? I'm gonna take the strain. 3, 2, 1, go. Got him, got him, got him. Yes! Ranger for the win! Oh yeah, baby, we did it. Pleased with that. I thought the tractor with its big tyres, even though it's only 2-wheel drive, would be able to pull this, but no. No, it can't. Surprised by that. Impressive pulling power of this car. Sorry, van. Sorry. Pickup truck. Okay, final challenge. I think it's only fair to give the poor Jimny and the poor tractor another chance at victory. I'm going to see if those two combined can beat this Ford Ranger. They do now have 6-wheel drive between them and more weight. Bit heavier combined than this on its own. In terms of power, this has still got more power than those two combined. But there we go, let's see what happens. Let's take the strain up. Come on guys, take up the strain. Jamie on the tractor, would you like to just take the strain up? Here we go, I'm gonna call it in. 3, 2, 1, tug. Lost grip, come on. No, oh, come on. Get a second, maybe get a bit more traction. And if they can pull me if I stick my brakes on and cheat a little bit. Not going backwards past that cone if I can help it. Bit cheat with the brake. Wait for them to lose traction and go. Bit forward. Cheat with the brake on the sliding. The sliding, now go. Oh, it's so close. Oh no, I'm cheating with the brake. Oh, backfired then. Done, I've gone past the cove. That's the end. Yeah, you can stop pulling me now, you won. God. Whew. Now that was a lot of fun. Oh, now, if you fancy some more information on pickup trucks and stuff like that, click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below, because I do an off-road battle with a bunch of pickup trucks, including a Ford Ranger. Go check that out. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. Let me know some other Tug of Wars you'd like to see in the comments below. Click on those windows there for some more videos. And if you click on that box there, you can go to Carwow for help selling your car. Our dealers will bid on your car and get a fair price for it. Thanks for watching.